4x4 accessories. We'd like to announce the release of our 300 series bull bar range. Today we're exhibiting the 80802 Phoenix bar, which is our premium A-frame bar for maximum protection. Fully welded loops across the top, A-frame fully gusseted, 60mm tubing. Comes with the standard Phoenix grille, opening window for easy access to your clutch on your winch, particularly when you put spotlights on top of the bar. Comes with a hinge number plate for easy access to your winch rope. This particular bar, because it's specifically for the 300 series, has extra airflow built into the bar, through up under here, through here, and through the standard grill opening in the front. This bar is ADR approved, winch compatible, suitable for side steps and rails as well. Besides this one bar, we're going to do a full range of Phoenix, Rocker and Falcon. Comprise of no loops, single loops, 3-loop stainless, black A-frame and so forth. So probably about 24 different combinations in total. Including this bar can also be purchased in the aluminium range, which is polished aluminium. It would look identical to this bar, except it would be in the nice shiny polished aluminium. Shortly, as we build this car up, we'll be demonstrating side steps and rails, rear carrier bar. We'll be putting spotlights on this. At the moment, this has got the bar and a winch installed, but we will slowly add other products. We'll be doing outback armor suspension and other accessories that go along with it as well. And as we do those things, we'll add online and show you the footage as we go.